Kimberly with Getaway Today, and we are here at the Loews Sapphire Falls Resort at the Universal Orlando Resort in Florida, and I wanted to give you a quick room tour and just show you what their rooms are like here. This is a beautiful hotel. It's Caribbean themed. You can tell everything is kind of like ocean beach. You can see like the driftwood mirror, the beautiful tile. You've got these beautiful blues. This is the bathroom area, which is great. One of my favorite things is that cool mirror frame. I just love it so much. You've got your makeup mirror, deluxe amenities, and then the bathroom is really cool in here. You have showers. Most of the rooms in the hotel are like 70% showers. And then you can see they've got like a little bench in there. And this is nice too, they have the sliding barn door. But if you need a room that has a tub, you can just request that. They do have rooms with tubs here. Right here is your closet space. So you've got luggage storage, extra bedding, ironing board, and then in here is the bedroom. So these are a little bit larger standard rooms than you would find at the value hotels. You've got 2 queen beds in here, really beautiful bedding. Again, just that fun, airy Caribbean feel. So like the bed boards are just beautiful. You've got all of the rooms here have a mini fridge that are tucked away in here. Big flat screen TV, and then of course more storage, so that's your drawers for your clothes, coffee makers, coffee in the room, a desk area with your in-room dining, all of the information on the property, and then a little sitting area. And then out here, this is a view of the walking trail. There are also views of the pool in the resort, and we are really close to Universal's Islands of Adventure. So they have water taxis that you can take there, or there's a walking trail that you can take to get to the park. But either way, it's a really great way to explore the resort. So we think this is a great hotel. You would love it for your Universal Resort Orlando vacation. So thank you so much for watching. Again, it's Kimberly with Getaway Today.